Guys, this is sexy. This is like the sexiest card trick that I know, and it's sexy for two reasons. Number one, it's gonna fool the pants off you, and anyone you show it to, that's pretty sexy. Use with caution. And number two, the method. The method is so sexy, it's so brilliant, you will never guess it in a million years. It's completely self-working, there's no setup, and it's super easy. Also, in this video, I'm gonna share a secret with you about how you can take your magic to the next level, baby. Grab a deck of cards, let's get into it. Shuffle deck, no setup, completely self-working. This is exactly the kind of trick you've been asking me for on this channel, and this is a killer. Check this out. You're gonna have the spectator shuffle up the cards, this is a genuine shuffle, and then you turn your back, you don't see any of this happening, and you ask them to remove 15 cards from anywhere in the deck they want. So they could go 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So they can literally take the cards from anywhere in the pack that they want, and you ask them to separate these cards into reds and blacks. So they would go through now and separate the cards into reds and blacks, like so. And you ask them to put the black cards into their front left trouser pocket. So they would hide the cards in their front left trouser pocket like this. You ask them to count the red cards, and that will be a secret number, and then to put them into their front right trouser pocket. So in this case, if we count them, that's 4, and they would then hide these cards in their front right trouser pocket. You then say, whatever your secret number was, the number of red cards, you're going to remove that number of cards from the deck. So again, they can remove them from anywhere in the pack that they want. So let's say that's 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, you ask them to separate the cards into reds and blacks. So in this case, that's easy, 2 of each. And then you ask them to put the black cards into their back left butt pocket. So that's like so. And then you ask them to hide the red cards in the back right butt pocket. So that's in there, like so. So they've shuffled up the cards and they've hid various cards in various pockets. You have no idea how many cards are missing and what cards are in what pocket. But here's the cool part. Right now, I'm gonna go through the cards like so and see if I can get an essence of something that's missing. I'll shuffle up the cards so you know I'm not using any key cards. Check this out. Okay, you say, I think I've got it. One more time, I'm gonna go through and I'll tell you exactly what you're hiding and where you're hiding it. Yeah, you say, okay, I've got it. So what I want you to do is to reach into your back right trouser pocket. You're gonna find 2 red cards there. So they reach in here and they find 2 red cards in the back right trouser pocket. You say reach into your back left trouser pocket and you're gonna find 2 black cards there. And they reach inside and they find 2 black cards there. You say reach into your front right trouser pocket and you're gonna have 4 red cards in there. They reach inside and they pull out 1, 2, 3, 4 red cards, and you say reach into your front left trouser pocket and you're going to have 11 black cards in there, and they count these out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It is a complete miracle. It's something really, really different. They're hiding cards in their pockets. There's no setup, it's totally self-working, and it probably fooled you. If it did, hit the like button, try and guess how it's done in the comments down below before you see the explanation, and I will see you in the explanation. So I might be just a little bit in love with this trick. So this is a trick called Hummer's Little Stranger by Bob Hummer. Bob Hummer was a genius. He's got some absolutely amazing material, and this was in a very, very old manuscript of his. And as soon as I saw it, I went, you guys are gonna love this. So listen, let me know what you think. If you like the trick, and I think you do, hit the like button. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. Listen, I'm gonna help you grow. I'm gonna bring you the best magic for free. You help me grow, you boost this channel, you share this video with as many of your friends as you can, and listen, we're gonna grow together and it's gonna be amazing. It's win-win. We help each other out. That's how we do it. Speaking about helping each other out, I said at the start of this video I was gonna share a secret with you. Here's the secret. For the next 5 days, I'm gonna be having a 50% sale off all of my courses, only for the next 5 days, and I will never repeat this sale again. Why? Why am I doing this? Because a friend of mine is in trouble. His mum is in the Philippines right now. She was involved in a very, very serious accident, and she's now paralyzed from the neck down. She's being cared for in the Philippines, but they need to bring her home so she can be with her family, she can be looked after and cared for and have a family around her. It's gonna take a lot of money to do that. So I'm gonna have this sale, and every single penny that I make from this, I'm gonna give to that cause. I'm not making any money from this whatsoever. It's gonna go straight to my friend, and we're gonna bring his mum home. So what I'm gonna say is, go on, get as many different courses as you want. You're gonna learn loads of magic, and it's the only time I'm gonna have half off everything. But just know you're doing something better, contributing to a very, very worthwhile cause, and you're making a massive difference. And that, underneath everything, is what it's all about. So it's really simple, guys. I'm gonna link my courses in the description down below and also on the screen. If you follow it, fill your basket with whatever you want, and if you use the code GIVEBACK, you're gonna get 50% off everything. For the next 5 days only, that is it. Help me make a difference, and we're gonna help each other out. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for support. Thank you for helping me grow the channel. Thank you for helping me make a difference in somebody else's life. But right now, I know you wanna learn this card trick. You need a full deck of cards for this. No setup. Let's get into it. All right, guys, so the first time I saw this, it fooled me because I couldn't believe the cards were shuffled. I thought it must be some kind of setup. Guys, this is a completely mathematical trick. It is so easy to do. It only requires like 2 very, very simple calculations, and it'll tell you exactly how many cards and what colors are in each pocket. It is genius. Big up to Bob Hummer for this one. This is such clever thinking. So, cards are shuffled up. They are completely mixed up. It is from a shuffle deck. You ask the spectator to remove 15 cards from wherever they want. Now, they can take these from anywhere. Just for speed, I'll take them from the top of the deck. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now, you turn your back so you don't see any of this happen, but you ask them to separate the cards into reds and blacks. So at this point, they would separate the cards into reds and blacks, like so, 2 piles, 1 red, 1 black, like this. You ask them to put the black cards into the front left trouser pocket. So that's what they do. Now remember, your back's turned so you don't see any of this happening. The cards are in the front left trouser pocket. Now you ask them to count the red cards, and that will be their secret number. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. They're now thinking of the number 9. Remember, you don't know any of this, but they're thinking the number 9, and then they're going to put the cards into their front right trouser pocket. Okay? So now you give them the instruction, and that's what is going to make this whole thing work. You say whatever your secret number is, the same number of red cards, so in this case 9, you ask them to take that many cards from the deck and put them in a pile on the table. So again, they can put them from anywhere. So that's 3, we'll do 3 from the bottom, and say 3 from the middle, so 9. The same number as the number of red cards that they had, the secret number. So again, your back's turned, you're not seeing any of this happen. You ask them to separate these cards into reds and blacks. So again, they would do this, like so. And now you ask them to put the black cards in their back left trouser pocket. So back left trouser pocket, or in the butt pocket like that. And to hide the red cards in the back right trouser pocket. So now they've got all of these cards hidden in various pockets, and you say, so I have no idea of the number of cards that you've got hidden or how many red cards, black cards are in each pocket. Now, what you're going to do here is you're going to simply go through the cards and you're going to count the number of black cards. You don't tell them you're doing this, you just say, oh, I'm picking up on a psychic vibration of the cards or something like that. But basically what you're going to do is you're going to go through and count the black cards. So I'll do this out loud for now. Don't do it out loud when you're performing the trick. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so in this case 14. What you're going to do, guys, is whatever your total is for your black cards, you're going to minus 11 from that total. I think about it slightly differently. I think, what's the difference in between 11, that's always the key number, 11 and whatever number you've just counted. In this case, it's 14, so the difference is 3, right? 11, 12, 13, 14. That will tell you the number of red cards in the back right trouser pocket. So we got 3 right. If I check now, we'll see that is 3. So that is correct. However, you don't tell them anything yet. It's just giving you a number to work with. So now we remember the number 3. We're going to count the cards again, and we're going to start on that secret number. So we know it's 3. You're going to start by counting 3 as you deal the cards, not 4, or the trick won't work. Whatever the number is, the first card you deal, you're going to start counting on that number. So in other words, we had 3, so I'm going to go 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. I don't do that out loud. I do that again silently, and that gives me a new number, which is 30. Guys, you're done. From this point, you're going to be able to reveal all 4 pockets. So now you remember the number 30, and all I need to do is to get my number of cards in my back left trouser pocket. I need to just minus 30 from 36. 36 is always your key number. So I think about it slightly differently. Again, I just think, what is the difference between 30 and 36? In this case, it's 6. So if we just secretly check these cards, I'll know that I've got 6 cards. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So that's given you all the information that you need. Let me show you how to reveal it. So you'll remember the first number was 3, right? So you start off the revelation by saying the number of cards in your back right trouser pocket, take out 3 red cards, and they will take out these cards and they will go 1, 2, 3. And you say, now the cards in your back left trouser pocket, which is the number we just did, is 6. So take out 6 black cards from your back left trouser pocket. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this seems impossible right now. You're basically reverse engineering the number of red cards from the start of the trick. So now to get the number of cards in your front right trouser pocket, just add these 2 numbers together. So we had 6 and we had 3, so that's 9. So now you say, take out 9 cards, the total of these 2 piles, take out 9 cards from your front right trouser pocket. They'll take this out. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then very simply, you'll remember at the start I asked the spectator to remove 15 cards. We have 9 red here, which means that the number of black cards must be 6. So you say, reach into your front left trouser pocket and take out 6 black cards. And that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is an absolute miracle. It's so clever. If you get stuck with that, guys, hit me up in the comments section down below. Like the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. Share this video with all of your friends. Help to grow this channel. Check out the video on the screen right now. Watch that as well. It's another awesome trick, and I will see you soon in the next video.